guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. As you can see here out in the yard again, we're about to bash. Last time on the channel we were out bashing with the Traxxas Maxx here, and I pulled that lower pin up out of the hub from the hub carrier that keeps it in place, and so we went along ahead and we went some aluminum there on the hub carrier. Gonna see how that is and if it keeps that pin into that lower hub. I also replaced the hub just in case it was a little worn out, the plastic there. And there's the GPM dry shafts, and also as you can see I went back with the original tires on it just for the hell of it, and try something a little different than having the Revo tires on there, and just see how it's going to perform now that I got the wide kit with those tires. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you think. Here we go. Whoa! Thing is still a wheelie beast. Thing loves the wheelie on command. Whoa. Saved it. Gonna try to do a backflip, but once again I can't hit that damn ramp right. Psych! Oh! Alright, let me fix that cover, guys. Oh, nothing like running over your own damn cover. I don't want to jinx it, but so far with the wide arm kit on here and these smaller tires that came with the truck ain't too bad. Probably just jinxed it, but that's alright. Noser. One thing I just noticed, definitely flips over a lot easier with the big tires on there. Guess a little bit of a disadvantage, but so far the new tires aren't bad. Shouldn't say new tires, I guess the tires that came with the truck. I'm sure someone will give me a hard time about that. Absolutely love bashing with this truck, man. It's just, it's like it's definitely the little X Max. And this thing just takes a beating. Little Kevin Talbot footage. Oh, got some traction on that one. Let's go do some more footage. I don't know, maybe in the comments, what do you guys think about the Proline trenchers on this thing? I'm thinking about getting a set, see how it acts. I mean, I definitely like this truck a little bit better now that the wide arm kit's on it. Before, with the small tires and no wide arm kit, this truck out of the box just really wasn't fun. But now I think it's there. Whoa! I almost just ate that RC truck. I hope you guys appreciate that. Hit the like button. Subscribe. More footage. Hang on, guys. Alright, guys. I just beat the hell out of it for a little bit. As you can see, front wheel still all nice and straight. New hub carriers so far with the hubs holding up. No pins sticking through. I think the plastic there was separating and allowing that pin to pop out of the hole. I think that's what the problem was on huge impacts. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching RC Brucey, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.